creative minds, if you have ever wondered how to elevate your 3D design with accessories such as earrings, then this video is perfect for you. Watch till the end for all the tips and steps. So let's get started without any delay. First, open CLO3D software and begin by adding an avatar to work with. Now, left click and hold the polygon icon to access the drop-down menu. Then choose the ellipse tool. Left click and release to allow the dialog box to appear. Then type in a 2 cm diameter circle. Ensure you are in the thick textured surface. If not, select it. Select the pattern and adjust its position using gizmo to place it on here. Go to the property editor and scroll down until you find Add Thickness Rendering and increase it according to your preference. Check the adjustments. Now create an ellipse with a width of 2 cm and a height of 5 cm. Position it appropriately. Use the Edit Curve tool to modify the shape, creating a droplet shape. Select the pattern and decrease the particle distance to smoothen it. Change to Edit Pattern tool. Select Edges, right click and choose Offset as internal line to create an internal shape. Then right click on the internal lines and choose Cut. Then delete the internal shape. Increase the Add Thickness Rendering according to your preference. Now create a small circle for the connecting ring. Lower the particle distance for smoother edges. Select the edges, create internal lines, and cut the internal shape to form the ring-like shape. Increase the Add Thickness Rendering and adjust the position of the ring. Okay, I guess it's kind of too small, so let's make a slightly bigger ring. But first, let's delete the current ring and create a larger circle. Lower the particle distance. Use the Offset as internal line option to create the internal shape. Cut the internal shape. Delete the internal shape. Increase the Add Thickness Rendering. Fine-tune the position of the ring to serve as the connector of the earring. Now select the smaller circle. Add thickness rendering to make it rounder. Adjust the shape and position as needed. And review the overall design. Make any necessary adjustments and ensure everything fits perfectly. Now it's time to customize the earrings. Since I made this earring before the CLO version 7.3, that's why I symmetried the earring to the other side, because we used a different registration process before, and now we have a simpler registration form, so you can skip this step. Now use different fabrics for different parts of the earring by copying and dragging the fabric to the patterns. Name each fabric section for easy identification. Then select the hoop fabric and access the property editor. Modify color and material type, choosing metal or a preferred material. Now choose the bottom fabric. Add texture and open the texture editor. Adjust the texture according to your preference. Choose the color, then apply and close. Now select the top fabric. Change the render type and color. Now modify the fabric, render type, color and texture for the stone fabric. Now check the earring in the render window. Make necessary adjustments to enhance its appearance. Now select all the pattern pieces. Lower the particle distance to 0.8 or lower for smoother look. Recheck the render to ensure desired results. Now change the render type of top and bottom fabrics. Fine-tune the texture of the bottom fabric while observing the rendering. Save the project file and verify that all the customizations are satisfactory. And to make pin, create a small circle. Go to Property Editor and increase Add Thickness Rendering. Then apply hoop fabric to the pattern. And reduce the curvature percent to 0. Then lower the particle distance adjust the position to fit perfectly. Now let's proceed with the registration process. Remember, after version 7.3, you only need to create one side of the earring. Symmetry is not required. Now select all the pattern pieces of the earring that you want to register. Right click and choose the convert option, then select to avatar accessory. So after selecting to avatar accessory, a dialog box titled Register Accessory will appear. Then locate the accessory type drop-down menu and select earring from the options. Click on the mirror creation option to ensure the earring will automatically create a mirrored version for the opposite side. If you prefer a custom thumbnail for your earring, you can select this option and upload an image. Then click on the Save button to proceed. Enter the file name and save. And your accessory has been successfully registered. It's now ready to be used in your designs. Get creative and make some amazing earrings using these steps. And don't forget to share your creations with me. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more fun tutorials. Until next time, keep designing, keep creating and keep shining bright. Thank you.